Okay, we have a problem. Oh my gosh. So the panel is not even turning on. We found this fuse. It was in the converter and it is broken. So we're gonna have to pack up.
We've come to another decision, right? We're gonna go ahead and stick it out here.
At that point, we still didn't know if it was the right choice. Only time would tell. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on our power situation. We turned this light on temporarily so you could actually see us because it's too dark to do any filming.
It's raining outside, obviously, so it's cloudy.
So the problem is it is raining and we're not really pulling in any solar right now.
We're getting about 12 watts. Remember, we're hybriding it here because I'm hooked up to full power, but because our 12 volt system is down, my converter's not working.
So there's no way to charge the batteries right now.
Except with solar.
Exactly. And it's only 12.74.
7 volts right now.
So that is kind of low for lithium batteries.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know how much more, we're going to be able to do on it.
Yeah.
So because obviously we haven't turned the furnace on. We have the fireplaces and that it works pretty good.
Yeah.
I've actually using the Ogery fan in the bedroom to push the fireplace from the bedroom into this area of the living room because it's taller ceiling.
Because it's pretty cold outside too. It's like low 40s right now.
Well, it was 41 degrees, but it was 39. Feels like 39, so yeah. It's cold, and obviously rainy, just wet, rainy feeling.
Yeah.
So right now, when we turn the water heater on, because we have the tankless water heater, that causes, us to use the 12 volt system.
Right.
And then, of course, lights we try to keep off. And then we don't turn the furnace on.
No, it would really suck up.
I don't think we would still be here if we had a 12 volt fridge, honestly. We would have to call it. But luckily we have a residential fridge. So it's working off the 50 amp. So that's the positive.
Yeah.
Another positive, so far, RV, it's just a few months old. No leaks. First test in rain.
Yeah.
And all the slides, checked everything. No leaks anywhere.
That's a good thing.
So that's a good thing.
So we're going to fit to go.
Yeah, we're going to do some exploring.
As much as we can without getting wet.
Yeah, from the safety of our truck. As you can see, never-ending rain since we've been here, so I don't know, it definitely put a damper on all our activities. I think we're gonna take a drive around the park and really check out, the area a little bit more from the safety of our truck. The Peninsula Campground at Ponderosa State Park offers 3 loops: chokecherry, blackberry, and aspen. This area offers 113 campsites, 5 ADA sites, and 1 camper cabin. Amenities include fire rings, picnic tables, water, and electric hookups. A dump station is also available, and they also have 3 bathhouses with hot showers and flush toilets.
It's a bombing 44 degrees. steady downpour right now.
Two of them, John.
$2? Oh yeah.
They're in both.
There's a third one right here, Brenda.
Oh my
Right in front
gosh.
of us.
Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. This is crazy. He's a 4-point right there. After yesterday, it would have been easy to pack up and head home. But after driving through the park today and seeing the wildlife and the lake views, we're starting to think staying might have been the right decision after all.
Okay, you guys, it is 76 degrees in here, which isn't too bad since it's 40 outside, and we're achieving all this without using our furnace and or our heat pumps. What we've done is we're using our fireplaces. We have our Ogery next to the fireplace in a bedroom, and it's pushing the air to the main living area. Now what we have to do, of course, is shut the bathroom door so any air doesn't escape into the bathroom. And then with that, coupled with our fireplace in the living room, it's actually pretty comfortable. Keeps us from turning our furnace on or the heat pump. So it's working okay. We're staying kind of comfortable.
Well, we're sitting here and we hear the beep, which means we just lost the 12-volt system completely.
We're under
it went
10
under
volts. So
yeah, so it went in the a protection mode? Protection mode or something.
So basically, I can't pull the slides in. I can't do any of the hydraulics.
Well, nothing will work.
Nothing
will
will work.
Lights, no.
So hopefully the sun will shine and I can get some solar to recharge the batteries up.
It's still raining right now, so there's literally So I mean, hopefully it's going to take a while to recharge those though.
Yeah.
So I don't know when we'll actually get power, but what a pain.
Definitely.
What are you doing there?
Well, if you guys remember a few months back in January, on our way to Quartzsite, I had this bright idea of attempting to dump our gray water into our tote using ramps up into the trucks. I don't want to carry that big old tote, and or even trying to, tow it behind the truck or behind my e-bike. Okay, can you go ahead? And I got a few comments which basically made sense. Hey, don't break your back doing that. Maybe invest in a macerator. So guess what? I got one. Why? Because we're going to be heading to a lot of parks over on the East Coast that don't have full hookups. So I'm going to do a test run. Even though we're here with full hookups, we have liquid in our tanks. I'm going to go ahead, finish putting this together. We're going to hook it up, and I'm going to go ahead and attempt and flush the gray tank up into my tote that's on the back of the truck. So like I said, you guys, I've never done this. I'm going to put this on. Make sure this is tight.
It's under here because it's raining again.
Yeah, of course. Flip it this way here. Now go like this. Okay, so now I need power. So the plan, you guys, is to use my, I don't have a 12 volt connection. I don't want to bring my truck around and hook up a extension. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Jackery that I usually keep right about here. So what I'm going to do is turn on the power. And we're going to be using DC power. So turn on DC. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. Can you hold that? Okay, here goes nothing, you guys.
Leaking.
A little leakage here, needs to be tightened up.
Yeah, the little leakage ever.
So I tighten up the lines, reconfigure to where the macerator is not directly onto the valve. So we're going to go ahead and give her a go here and see if this is going to work. Okay, I'm going to turn on the valve. Bernie, you want to plug it in?
Mm-hmm. No leaks.
Looks like it's working. You can hear it going in here.
Sounds like a good flow.
Yeah. So I think that'll work when we're at a place with no sewer. We have a way to do this. Now I just have to take this to the dump station, dump it.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it likes. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that, feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that.
All right, so we're at the bus stop, you guys, right at the entrance of the state park. The city of McCall has
Mountain Transit Red Line.
yeah, it's a free bus system. So instead of taking our truck into town and trying to find a parking spot, we are going to try and attempt to get on a bus and see the sights that way.
And as you can see, it's finally not raining.
Yeah, but it's chilly
It's
out
still
here.
cold.
Yeah. Yeah, there goes the bus. Here we are downtown McCall. It's a cool little town. Got a Mexican restaurant.
Ice cream alley.
So this town kind of reminds me of like a miniature, like I said before, Lake Tahoe, right?
Yeah.
It's right by the lake. It's got all these shops and restaurants. It's hard to find parking, so that's why we thought, oh yeah, we'll take the shuttle, and it worked out pretty well. And there's really no like stop area. You just, when you see him, you wave him down and he'll stop and pick you up. Well, there's a lot of a place where a lot of food trucks are, but I don't think anybody's open there. Good thing we're not that hungry, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, neat little town. So I broke down. We had some chocolates, peanut butter cups. Only a few though, so can't feel too bad. But it is good.
The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be.
Okay, so that's about it for the town or city of McCall. Being that it's a weekday, it doesn't seem like it was that crowded. We weren't too sure. That's why we were hesitant about driving here, but on the weekend, maybe it could really get crowded. We might have a hard time finding parking, but you know what? They've got free shuttle that takes you all around town, so why not take advantage of it? So we're waiting here. We got a few more minutes till our shuttle gets here, and then we're gonna head on back and see about getting some dinner going, right?
Yes.
Alrighty.
We had made the most of our time in McCall. Now all that was left was getting home, and we had no idea our biggest challenge was still ahead.